Hi, it is my birthday today and look at all the fidgets I got. I should take out this, because this is not fidgets. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So the first one that caught my eye is this cute sheep. I mean, isn't she adorable? Let's open her now. Let's take her out. Now let's try her. Oh my god, she's so good. My little sister is also here. If you saw the little hand. But I love this poppet. Let's pop the eye. The next pop it is this one. Let's take it out. Now let's try it. Love it. Now let's open the pop tubes. Done. Now let's take them out. It is kinda hard to take it up with one hand since I'm recording with the other one. Tada! I need two hands to stretch them so I can't stretch them. Now let's open the next one. It will be this one. Time to open. Yay! Wow! I have only seen this on YouTube. I love the green one. Let's see if I got something more. Yes, I got these axe pressure ring. I won't open this because .it is probably not a fidget toy. I will open this. So I took them out. Oh, I got a pea popper. Now let's open this. So I'ma take it out. Oh my god, I love this. Ah, so soft. So this is maybe a hedgehog. I love him, he's literally so cute. I'm naming him Sonic. Anyways, ties 'em for watching. Bye.
And don't forget to comment fidget bets.